Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Nubs here again. You guys, lockdown made us do loads of things, and in those things that I did was crocheting. So I thought I'll share with you step by step of how I made this beautiful heart of mine, and hopefully some of you will be able to make yourself one because I really love it. It's beautiful. Leave a comment below and let me know how the process went, and please don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into the video. So these are the things we're going to be using: a scissor. This is a hook 5 mm, or you can use an number 8. So yeah, I'm using this. It got two sides, number 7 and number 8. I'm going to be using number 8. And then these are our stitch markers, but I'm going to be using just this one. So I'm going to put this away, and then let's get into the video. So you make an X like that, get your hook, go through like that, and then let go. And now you have something like that. So with this, do and make a stitch just like that. Don't count that. So we're gonna start with 6 single crochets in this circle. So go in, pull through, and that's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6, right? So now you have that space. What you do to close this space is you get this string here and pull it. When you pull it, it will close itself and you have something like that. This is the first row. We're going to start with the second. In this second, what we're going to do 2 single crochets in each stitch. Yeah, if you can see it, is the one we started with that we didn't count. So now we're going to start with the one we counted, which is this one here. Go through. That's 1. Then make 2 single crochets, and then go in the second one, make 2 single crochets, 1, 2. This is our second row. So we're gonna put a stitch marker, and this is gonna be beginning of our rows. So row number 3, 1 single crochet in a stitch, then increase, 1 single crochet, then increase, 1 single crochet, and then increase. So 1, then 2, 1, then increase. Next row we're gonna do 2 single crochet and then increase. 1, 2, then increase. 1, 2, increase. So do that, then I'll meet you. You do 2, then increase 2 single crochet, increase 2 single crochet, increase, then I'll meet you here. End of the row now. So on the 5th row we're gonna do 3 single crochets, then increase 3, then increase. So 1, 2, 3, then increase 1, 2. Do that like 3 single crochets, then increase 3 single crochets, increase, and I'll meet you here. That's end of row 5. So now we're going to row 6, which we're gonna do 4 single crochets and then increase. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then increase. And then you're back to the beginning. Move your marker. Next we're gonna do 5 single crochets, then increase in the 6th. 5, then increase in the 6th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then increase 1, 2. So row 8 we're gonna do 6 single crochets, then increase. Six single crochets, increase in the 7th, and I'll meet you here. Row 9 we're gonna do 7 single crochets, then increase. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then increase 2. Seven single crochets, then increase. I'll meet you here. So this is the end of row 9, and we're going to row 10. So let's put our stitch marker. We're gonna do 8 single crochets, then increase, 8 single crochets, then increase. Do that and I'll meet you here. Eleven single crochets, then increase. A single crochet in each of the stitches around. This is easy. Hope you're enjoying your crocheting, and we're soon finishing. First it was 13 here, and then we just did 14 on here, which made it 27 rows. So we're gonna go to 28, and on 28 we're gonna do 4 single crochets, and then we're gonna increase and do 1, 2, 3, 4, then increase. By increase I mean you increase by 2, so you put 2 stitches in one of the stitch. So we're gonna do that. 4 single crochets, increase, 4 single crochets, increase, and then I'll meet you right here. So this is the end of row 28, and then we're gonna go to row 29, which we're gonna just do single crochets in each. So just do single crochets throughout. Single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. So yeah, do that single crochet throughout, and I'll meet you here. So here we're about to finish row 29, and it was just single crochets till our marker. This is where our marker is. Get it out and put it back. So now we're going to row 30 and we're going to do 3 single crochets and then we're going to increase. So those who don't understand yet, when I'm increasing I put 2 stitches in one place. So those are 2, 3, then increase. So yeah, do that and I'll meet you here. So 3, increase, 3, increase, and I'll meet you here. This is the end of row 30 and now we're going to 31. And as you can see, started to bend. You can see it there, started to bend like that. Forgive the whitish stuff around it. It's my dog's hair, but we'll clean it after. When you have a dog, like you have hair every single place. So row 31 to 32, we're gonna do 1 single crochet in each stitch. So 2 rows, just do single crochets in each stitch. So now we're gonna do single crochets in each stitch. Just single 31 to 32. So get something to watch or listen to music. Do that, guys, and then I'll meet you here. I decided at last minute to make 33 also single crochets in each row. So as you did row 31 and to 32, it's the same way you do 33. This is row 34 and we're gonna do 10 single crochets and then increase. That's the end of our hat. So we're gonna hide this one. You remember when we were starting? So for this one, if you don't have a crochet needle, which I don't, I use a small hook. Any small hook will do. So I just go through like that and then pull it through and then continue going like that. Like you keep hiding it, like you can hide it any way you want. You can just cut it out. So I normally, as you can see, it's a bit long, so I normally cut it like till there, and then I'll just cut the remaining. At the end, since this is our end, I'm gonna do a few stitch like that. Just go through and then pull through like that. Do the same, about like 5, just to hide that end point. To secure, I normally still get a small hook like that, and then I'm just gonna pull it through to hide it. Just pull it as much as you can, and if you're tired, you can just cut it off. So I'm gonna go outside. This helps in case it unravels, you have enough thread for you to, you know, fix it. That's why I normally want to keep it longer. And then you cut. And now you see, you can't tell where we ended, can you? I can't. So yeah, that's our hat, and I'm in love with it. So I'm gonna
take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it